March niriat sang ni somni paruk ani Donald Trump hianin in puihna ka mamawh lo ti mi mai ni ti chuanin China lampang po hianin an ron dim ta ani US le Israel chet dan hi mo hemi chungchang hi kan react mai in zo stream chungchang hi in lo shave to emo zo stream hi Android mobile application ania Google Play Store China download thai ani tin Android Smart TV a he zo stream app hi a download thai boka he app kaltang hianin movie chi sang sang mi zo tong le lin sa vek ke drama Bollywood Hollywood eng kim a in thai vek ani ti chuanin kan subscribe na man mil zelin account te po in share thai tin zo stream hi Mizoram a chuanin pay per view le subscription platform ti kop masaber an ni a ti chuanin zo stream app hi Google Play Store atangin lo download nge ula he app mang nge hianin movie in lo entreu don ani o ole tuna chuanin kan react anang.
A sharp war of words has erupted between the United States and the United Kingdom, with US President Donald Trump saying he does not want British military help in
atira khanin UK lampang khanin US khan pui vak du lo nge tuna hianin pui an tum le deuh ta nge Trump hianin in puihna ka mamawh to lo United Kingdom te ati khum le mia maya a Trump a thin khop mai Donald Trump a he tiang an react dan hi mo
West Asia. This after reports emerged that London may deploy aircraft carriers to the region amid the ongoing war with Iran.
UK lampang chuanin kan aircraft carrier te hi kan ron tir chuak ve don ni tiang zong deuh khanin thu kha an suwa.
Trump criticized British Prime Minister Keir Starmer, accusing Britain of considering joining the conflict only after the United States had already taken action.
Trump hianin an Prime Minister hi adim le ani a chanju United States ten action kan la dei to a Trump hianin chak to ang deuh le ka hinai ngai amo chuang chuanin heting hianin action kan la dei to a hetinga kan ti nu vek a harsa lai zong zong po omlo a ol sam china hetinga in aircraft carrier ron deploy tiang chi vel kha Trump pang ai dan ani British Prime Minister Adem Leani
further added that Washington did not need people to join war after it has already been won by the US.
United States in na chan to nuwa hianin ramdang te hianin minron pui angai lem lo we ati khum mak mai ni pui thin khom mai
response that I just put out a response. Give me the offer to send 2 aircraft carriers, maybe, but they're not sure. I just put out a response. I said, we don't need them. It's not the right time. It would have been nice to have had them 2 weeks ago, but the response I put out, I think, says it very well for you.
Hey, Air Force One ti khanin thawgan lai khanin press meeting na kom bokta Trump chuanin tu chuanin kan mamawh to lo ka ni kalta te kha chuanin ron offer se kan du lu tuk khati hun lai te kha chuan ma se tun a hun to lo kan mamawh to lo wa te ni ama Trump pang e in hetiang hianin aron soi ni yu eng tin tak UK lampang chun riak ang mo khami kha ani ya ti chuanin hey Israel China ina andem thu kan soi ma le China in eng tak nge an soi ti kan riak ma hianin hey Israel lampang hianin be pian thlak na sale khop me Iran rampang po hianin eng emoni chu ka fu chu an nei ve le ani.
The Israeli army said it launched a wave of strikes targeting Iran's military infrastructure across Iran.
Iran rampum puya Israel lampang hianin an military infrastructure poimo tak te tunai hianin target le mek ani.
Interceptors against Iranian missiles were seen over the skies of the occupied West Bank and Jerusalem.
Jerusalem chungvela chuanin hay heting hianin Israel lampang hianin interceptor kap suaka Iran lampang hianin missile an ron kap ti proof ani den fufote.
Plumes of smoke were seen rising from the site of an explosion in Beirut following Israeli strikes in
hitu Lebanon lampang ani soitong hanin Israel hian tunai hianin Lebanon le Iran aroli na beive me kani Lebanon lampang a hianin Hezbollah ho hianin tien che tan lo laven ngal khop me ni lampang hi,
including one on a hotel that killed at least 4 people.
Hotel te polo ka fu veni Israel hian mo.
The UAE says its air defense systems are responding to incoming missiles and drones launched from Iran.
Iran lampang khanin nimina an president khan ama le an ram ayo in Middle East ram dang te kan lo be ve ringot kha apoi kan ti hle mai min ngai dam ro u nang ma ni atanga Iran be na aron chhualo chonin kan ron be to lowang cheu atia masen be le hal char char thawi United Arab Emirates lampang point Iran atanga missile ron thlok lut kha lo intercept vele char char ani.
Amid the ongoing crisis, chartered cargo flights are bringing food supplies to the UAE as retailers continue to reinforce supplies across stores.
Cargo atiang bungrok phur thin hlona kha United Arab Emirates ron thlok lut renga hianin an cha khai mamawh sang kha ron thlo lu puyani.
In Kuwait City, fire engulfed the main building of Kuwait's public institution for social security. The Kuwait military said it was dealing with a drone attack with shrapnel causing damage to civilian buildings.
Kuwait apo hian hei Iran lampang hian an lo be le niang drone mangin mo kan hu thei chin chu.
The US embassy in Oslo was also hit by an explosion, with eyewitnesses saying they saw a thick cloud of smoke rising from the area.
Oslo United States embassy po hian po hian be lo to kan ni ti chuan in Israel lampang po hian in Iran an oil depot lian tak kha an be ni in kalo sheboka kha video te po kha mutur om nge in alang ani khami kha an soidan chuan in tuna US le Iran US Israel le Iran Indo na hian in anghong ber tur chu Iran anghong anga khami ba ka khanin China hian in atwar don ani ti hi mitam tak hian in an soi ani an san chu China hian in Iran atangin oil hi ali na sa emema chu wang chuanin hetianga Iran nina be ato awang hianin China hianin atuar don nin alanga chu wang chuanin hetiang hianin China lampang hi an ron tawngchhuak ta emoni chu o ti in angai thei ani tuna ei China lampangina thule hla an nei te kan riak veleang.
With the US-Israel war on Iran raging on for the 8th day, China has condemned the ongoing conflict, urging all parties to resolve differences through equal dialogue and strive to achieve common security.
China lampang po ti han ron tawngchhuaka an ron dem hle ani Indo burbur ai chuanin thatakin Indor ula Inbia ula enge point tam taka kha chuanin in lungrol kherlawang amaro chu in lungrol theina angchi ate khanin khang khate kha focus ula an ron ti ve ni China lampang chuan mo.
During a press conference in Beijing, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi said that the war in West Asia should have never happened.
Hey, Chinese Foreign Minister ania tuna Middle East Indo make Indo not thing make he til thing lo top turani atini.
Adding that the world cannot return to the law or the jungle.
As the Middle East descends into war, I must say this is a war that should never have happened, and a war that benefits no one involved.
Hey, Indo na atel te tu ma hianin hlok na antel lawani atiani.
Wang Yi also said that people cannot become victims of war. The Chinese Foreign Minister added that using force at every turn cannot prove one's own strength.
Indo vaki athalo ti berani mai chu Chinese Foreign Minister hian mo chuanin hetianga Chinese Foreign Minister hianin ramdang Indo te hetianga adema hetianga nila hian mi than kha chuanin China po engen ni big tian Taiwan ru na tuma a bereng atin India ati boireng boka antia Taiwan lampa ha chuanin Chinese chuanin soi thei vak an nei lawan ni ngai da chuanin Taiwan te chu China ta ang khan an lang ai ve char ni an ma ni ngai da na chuan mo amaro chu China le India in kar hi ngan zep tel lokanga an soi dan chuan an ma ni Chinese lampangina an soi dan chuan China le India in kara boina border wanga boina om thin hi hei hi China thiam lo ani lo India thiam lo po ani chuang lo British government khami khanin mumal lo tak khanin achua sana chuwang chuanin heng border awanga boina hi athleng ani ti in China lampang chuanin hati hunlaya lo ro rail train British sarkar kha adem dai mai ani ni ve tak reng boka North East lama te po state sang te Mizoram Assam chuan Meghalaya Assam border wanga boi hi kan tam ang reng khop mai ani hei hi British ho kha chu ni an tang kai khop mai ke mani state tan ngat phei kha chuan nga tha khop mai amaro chu an che fel vek big lo ti chu a chiang ani hemi chungcha hian mo hei hi China lampang ngai dan ani khami kha kan ron zep tel zoi ani khami kha tuntum news atana toy si kim singa kan han react thei chu ani video le adang ron react le don ani video le im hule theu don nia